Sure. We're asking the court to order that before Kilmar Abrego Garcia is put on a plane to any particular country, that he and his attorneys receive written notice of what that country will be, and a reasonable period of time, which we suggested could be as little as 72 hours, to file an application for withholding of removal as to that country. The Supreme Court, 9-0, held that Mr. Abrego Garcia needs to be put back in his position before the violation of law occurred. As the judge mentioned today, she stated on multiple occasions that the original arrest that took place happened without a warrant, without any legal basis, and that took place in the state of Maryland. And so our contention is that putting him back in his original position before the violation of law means bringing him back to the state of Maryland. The government's position is that the only violation of law was putting him on that plane to El Salvador, and that occurred in Texas. So those are the two things that the judge is going to have to decide. She made very clear that she will decide before Wednesday. Wednesday is the next detention hearing. Yeah, so on March 30th, the government put out a memo. It's available on ICE's website. And basically what it says that if the government has received sufficient assurances from a country that they're not going to torture or persecute deportees, then the government can put someone on a plane to that country without any more process whatsoever, right? So, and the witness yesterday explained that South Sudan is one such country that has given us assurances, which apparently Secretary of State Marco Rubio found credible, that everyone who gets sent to South Sudan is going to be just fine. So South Sudan was given as an example of a country to which someone can be sent without even so much as notice. Other countries, they need to give the person notice. They don't need to ask the person whether that person has a fear. That person needs to sort of spontaneously erupt in an expression of fear of return as to that country immediately upon receiving the notice, and that the notice can be served, as the witness yesterday explained, they can serve the notice in the afternoon and then put the person on a plane that same night. That's what the March 30th memo says. All right, thanks a lot.